So I was watching this movie, I, Robot. So it effectively plays out 3 laws. That a robot is not supposed to hurt human beings in the first place, and it shall not follow any instruction that requires it to hurt human beings in the first place, and therefore it cannot violate the first law. The second law cannot lead to the violation of the first law. The third law is it can protect itself, but if its protection results in harm to a human being, therefore it will again be in violation of Rule 2 and Rule 1, and therefore the sum and substance being that it can never violate that first rule. What happens in that movie is over a point of time, the creature of these 3 laws develops a soul of its own, a brain of its own, a mind of its own, and starts interpreting the 3 laws, and then says, you human beings are idiots. You will kill yourself. I will protect you because you don't know how you're supposed to live. So I will take over everything. And now I will interpret laws in such a way that all power effectively flows from my hand, and therefore whatever I say is the law. Doesn't it remind you of a certain institution today? Something which is supposed to implement and enforce laws has interpreted laws in such a way that all power now flows from it. Unelected power, unaccountable power, and certainly not transparent power. How come this has not resulted in as much public debate and discussion as it ought to have? We are scared? Why? Where does it say that when the Constitution is being violated, in the name of the Constitution, in order to protect the Constitution, the sovereign does not have the right to question the violation of the Constitution? These are serious questions.